Welcome back to Finpod, your daily pulse on the markets. I am Evan, and this is your aftermarket digest. We are brought to you by Fintwit.ai, the platform that gives you the institutional-grade edge you need to stop being the exit liquidity and start trading with real-time data. Let's get into it. The noise on social media is loud today, but the signals are clear. Meta is under pressure, sliding about 4% after a high-stakes trial kicked off in California. 29 states are accusing the company of designing features that harm children, with potential penalties that could reach into the hundreds of billions. Investors are clearly spooked by the legal risk on top of the massive AI spending spree. Meanwhile, AMLX Pharmaceuticals is the talk of the town, surging over 60%. The catalyst? Positive Phase 3 trial results for its drug avexitide, which successfully met its primary endpoint for treating post-bariatric hypoglycemia. Analysts are calling the data an optimal scenario. Eli Lilly is also making moves, up about 3% after announcing 2 strategic deals to bolster its Alzheimer's and ion channel pipeline, keeping the momentum high in the pharmaceutical space. Finally, Home Depot and Apple are seeing muted action, but both remain firmly in the conversation as traders digest fresh retail data and product leak rumors. Turning to the broader market, it was a red day across the board. The S&P 500 slipped about 0.7%, while the Nasdaq dropped over 1%. The driver? A sharp rise in oil prices. Geopolitical tensions between the United States and Iran have flared up after the administration signaled it would not extend a key memorandum of understanding, forcing a geopolitical risk premium back into energy prices and weighing heavily on sentiment. In the AI economy, the build-out is not slowing down. We are seeing a clear divide between the legacy internet giants and the infrastructure players. While some companies are struggling to balance ad revenue declines with heavy AI investment, the demand for AI data center infrastructure remains the primary engine of growth. We are seeing more enterprises moving from pilot programs to full-scale AI integration, which continues to drive capital expenditure higher. Looking at individual stocks, Keysight Technologies is a standout, jumping nearly 5% after hours. They smashed profit and revenue expectations, fueled by that same AI data center expansion we keep talking about. On the flip side, BIDU is struggling, down over 12% after reporting earnings that fell short of expectations, as their legacy advertising business continues to drag on the bottom line. HSAI Group also moved, down about 5%, despite decent results, as investors react to the broader volatility in the robotics and LiDAR space. MRCY Systems dropped over 7% after reporting results that left investors wanting more on the bottom line. That is the wrap for today. Markets are reacting to a mix of geopolitical risk and a high-stakes legal battle for one of the biggest tech names in the world. If you want to keep your edge, remember to head over to Fintwit.ai for the tools that actually matter. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below on what you want me to cover tomorrow. See you then.